Hello students, today we are going to learn direct and indirect speech. When we wish to tell somebody about another person's speech, there are two ways in which we can do it. We can use the exact words of the speaker, that is called direct speech, or we can express it in our own words, that is called reported speech. Reported speech is also called indirect speech. First we will learn direct speech. The verb introducing the actual words of the speaker is called the reporting verb. It indicates who speaks to whom. The reporting verb is followed by a comma. The actual words of the speaker are placed within inverted commas. The first word of direct speech begins with a capital letter. Now we will understand reported speech or indirect speech. The reporting verb is not followed by a comma, but it is often followed by a suitable conjunction like that or if. The reported speech is not placed within inverted commas. The tense of the verb usually changes if the reporting verb is in the past. Pronouns too are changed as per the requirement of the speech. Changes in tense when direct speech is converted into reported speech. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense of the verb in the direct speech doesn't change. For example, he says I am studying. He says that he is studying. The tense is not changed here because the reporting verb is in present tense. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the verb in the direct speech changes as follows. Is changes into was or were changes into had been, has have changes into had, present simple tense changes into past simple tense, present continuous tense changes into past continuous tense, present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. Past simple tense changes into past perfect, past continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. If past perfect tense is there, so there will be no changed. Will changes into would, shall changes into would, can into could, may into might, and must changes into had to. Exceptions to the rules. When the simple present tense states a universal truth or a scientific fact, there is no change in the present tense. For example, Samira said the sun rises in the east. Samira said that the sun rises in the east. The simple past stating a past historical event remains unchanged. The teacher said India got freedom in 1947. The teacher said that India got freedom in 1947. Now we will learn about say and tell. When there is no mention of person spoken to, say doesn't change into tell. On the other hand, if there is somebody to whom the words are being spoken, say changes into tell. He said, I am tired. He said that he was tired. Said is remain said here. He said to her, my book is torn. He told her. Now said to changes into told because there is object given there that his book was torn. Changes in pronoun in reported speech. The first person pronoun I, me, my, mine, we, our, us, ours inside the inverted commas change into the person and gender of the subject of the reporting verb. For example, she said, I am a student. She said that she was a student. This I first person changes according to the subject of the reporting verb. The second person pronouns you, your, yours change according to the person and gender of the object of the reporting verb. For example, I said to him, you are my brother. I said to will change into told. I told him that. This you will change according to the object of the reporting verb. This changes here he. The third person pronouns in the direct speech don't change. He said she is very clever. He said that she was very clever. Now we will learn the rules for change in expression denoting time and place. If the reporting verb is in the past, the changes that take place in the expression denoting time and place are as follows. Now changes into then, today changes into that day, tonight changes into that night. Tomorrow, this changes into the next day or the following day, yesterday, the previous day or the day before, last night, the previous night or the night before, ago, before, at present, at that time, next week, the following week, here, there. These are the rules for changing into indirect speech. I hope students this is clear to you. Thank you.